Today we are going to learn an amazing option which is available in Excel, that is custom tab. So I'll be showing how to create this custom tab. Usually you see only home or insert, page layout or data, but if you see here it's Excel anywhere. This is something now I have created this custom tab. So how to get all these commands under these brackets, how to group all these that we are going to learn today. So before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, I strongly recommend you please subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notification when I upload new videos. Yeah, this is something very useful, very often used commands, and you can create a custom tab. Example, if you are using conditional formatting or creating a pivot table or creating a chart or any other commands or functions that you use very often. For that, you don't want to click on different tabs to get the function to work on your action. So instead of that, what we can do, you can create a custom tab to get all your commands at one place. So now let's see. There are two options to get the window. One is right click on the quick access toolbar, and from the drop down list you click on the customize the ribbon. The moment you click on this, it takes you to the Excel options window. This is one option. The another option, click on file, click on the option bottom of the screen, and it will take you to the same page. Here click on the customize ribbon. Moment you click on this, you will see popular commands in left side of the screen. On the right side of the screen you will have main tabs, that is the tab you see on the screen, file, home, all these tabs. For now I will remove the existing one which I already created. Let me save this file. Okay, now it disappeared. Now I'm going to create new custom tab. I'll show you how to create this. Right click, customize the ribbon, and here click on the customize ribbon. If you see here popular commands, very often used commands. So if you don't see any commands that you very often use, then you can click on this all commands. You will get all the commands. You can create the customize tab. Now click on the new tab. Now I want to rename this. So click on this. You select the rename. Here you need to define your tab name. I will keep it as Excel anywhere. Click on OK. Under the new custom group, this is our group name. I will name it as often used commands. So I'll click on OK. I'll show you how to add commands now. First, now make sure the new group is selected. Then you click on the command which you want to add. I want to add all chart types. This one. Select the command. Next, click on the add. Once you're done with this step, the new commands will be added to the new group. Now you can see this. Click on OK. Now one new custom tab has been added to the ribbon. You can see the third one, Excel anywhere. Comments you can see it's all chart types. Personally, I very often use insert pivot table. So I want pivot table here under Excel anywhere tab. Let me show you once again how to do that. Now customize the ribbon. The window has been opened. So as per your requirements, you can select all your very often used commands and add it to your new group. Make sure the group is selected. Now I want to add, first I will add copy and cut. These are the function I use very often. And next, conditional formatting, it's a very important. Next, pivot table, add. One more, font size also important for me. If you don't see your commands which you use very often, then you click on the all commands. Now scroll down slowly, you will be able to find your commands. Example, I'll add protect sheet. Now click on OK. Great. Now you can see under Excel anywhere, many commands are available because now I have added. Similarly, even you can add as per your requirement. This is how you can create a custom tab to the ribbon. I hope it is helpful. In the next session, we are going to learn about VLOOKUP and two-way VLOOKUP and how to use if error. All these things will be covered in the next session. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to not miss any videos. Thank you for watching.